Wuxi Kelai NC Machine Tool Company Limited, established in 2017, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of stamping, drawing, forming, and other equipment for various metal products, and supports the manufacture of high-end automatic production lines to provide customers with overall solutions, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. The equipment is widely used in many industries, such as aviation, spaceflight, automobile, ship, light appliance, daily used hardware. All along the company products with exquisite design, reasonable price, guaranteed quality, and efficient after-sales service and technical support, received the affirmation of customers at home and abroad. Sell well in more than 20 domestic provinces, cities, and districts, and exported to the United States, France, the United Kingdom, Canada, Mexico, Australia, Germany, Romania, Czech Republic, Russia, Poland, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and other countries. We work with many quality partners, so we can offer you more machinery options. 12 months warranty period, operation training, machine testing, and commissioning at buyer's site. We also welcome OEM or ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.